see. I carry God, so I fear not. Steady increase in the commands. Original no be parody. You know it's clear for your memory.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making press-ons. So I have these A-Press Gel X nails that no one appreciates, so I'm just going to be using them / repurposing them to make press-ons. So the theme for today, I wanted to use pink and white and go from there. This is a complete freestyle. I just picked out some colors and picked out some charms, and we're gonna make a set. So the first thing I always love a glittery nail. It needs to have some glitter. So the first nail we're gonna be doing is with this pink glitter that I never use. Do you ever feel like as a nail tech you buy one thing for one client and then you never use it? I'm about to start a series of like stuff I only use once, and we're gonna put it together and we're gonna make a set because I'm tired of it sitting here and not being used. So we're gonna show it. So after I did the nail and I put the glitter on and cured that, I got this cute butterfly. It's so cute. I love it so much. So now we're jumping into painting the French, and clients always feel like, oh, French is so simple. Like, yes, it's a quote unquote, it's a simple, clean looking design, but that shit is not simple and is very annoying, and it's my least favorite design. It just takes so long. My anxiety peaks. I hate French. If there's a set with whole imagine, and then like people don't understand the like layered designs where it's like French and then like 2 designs on top of it. Oh great heavens, so annoying. This is gonna be something similar to that because I have to paint the French and then I have to add the glitter on top. So yeah, it's annoying. But we still do it anyway. It's almost like a nail staple now. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but a lot of designs incorporate French. Like French is like the base of the nail. One day it'll go out of style, hopefully soon. Like how also I noticed people aren't really doing encapsulated nails anymore. Can we run that back? I low-key want to start doing some encapsulated designs because I miss it so much. Like it was like a chokehold. It had the nail techs in a chokehold for a little bit, and now it has disappeared. I want to bring that back, and I feel like duck nails are kind of like fading away a little bit. I really want to do a duck nail freestyle. So with this nail, I kind of like struggled a little bit because I'm just like, I want XOXO, but then I want to add bling, but then the bling wasn't working out the way I wanted it, but it all worked out in the end. But you're gonna see why. So I'm just I top coated the nail first because I want to add glitter on top of the white, so it'll be a glitter white, so that's why I top coated first. So I'm gonna add the glitter in later. Then for the thumbs, I'm gonna do the striped lines, which are so cute. I think they're becoming one of my favorite designs. As I mentioned before, well, I don't know the order the videos are gonna drop, but I mentioned before, I feel like lines and dots are starting to become very popular. Why can't I speak? Becoming very popular now, so I wanted to do some designs like that. Maybe I'll do I want to do some more color ranges, because before I did black and pink, now I'm doing white and pink, and then I'm gonna add dots as well. I did lines and dots in this design, so I kind of want to do like different variations with different spectrums of color with lines and dots. And then I don't know why I'm having like a weird flashback. Do y'all know the brand Baby Alive? Are they still around? Like, for some reason, me looking at this nail is giving Baby Alive. I'm gonna insert like what I'm referring to, but let me know if y'all grew up playing with that doll. And the design is coming together. Honestly, it would have looked just fine with just this, but I was like, no, we can add a little bit more. Like, we could definitely add a little bit more, but this is fine. This is perfectly fine if I would have stopped here. But you know, we have the time and we have the supply, so why not do it? Okay, this is what I mentioned previously about me trying to do something for this nail and it's not working out. So you're gonna see me struggle a little bit, and that's okay. It came out great in the end. Oh wait, I didn't show y'all the struggle. Okay, oh well. This is how this nail looked like. I basically just did a heart with pearls around the XO, and then I added a kawaii charm, a heart one at the bottom. Favorite part, which is charms. So we are going to be adding some Sanrio charms and some pearls. I just feel like they look so well together. I've done this combo before. I feel like it just looks so good. Of course, you can always add like regular bling, but I feel like the pearls, it just matches the aesthetic better for Sanrio characters. I hope that makes sense. And for the thumbs with the pink stripes, of course I could have left the nail like this, it looks perfectly fine, but I feel like a charm in the middle just brings it all together, and I used the pink heart kawaii charm. Oh, it looks so cute. Honestly, you could do a whole set like that and I wouldn't even be mad at it. Like, it's so cute. Isn't it cute? Someone comment it's cute, please.
Papa don't stop now, living life, in my fire, burning bright, within the inside me, small leeway.